Look how hot I am right now. It's so hot. What's up, everybody? Here at the Las Vegas Convention Center for the Consumer Electronics Show, CES 2020. Come inside with me. Let's see the latest and greatest in technology. Let's go. I'm here at Insta360 checking out the brand new 1R that just dropped.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Here is our latest 360 1R. So you can see we have two modes here. This is the Leica edition with a 1-inch lens. So for this one, it's better for dark scenes and for underwater shooting. This is a twin edition. With this one, you can exchange the lens. This is a 360 lens. You can also exchange it into the 4K lens. So this is the core. So this is the battery. This thing here is the battery, and this is the core, and this is the lens. So you can change the lens part into the 4K one here. So with this one, you get the 360, and this is the 4K. Yeah. And with the 4K, you can also do selfie with the lens facing to you. If you are doing a vlog, this will be quite helpful. Yeah.
Is this the battery?
Yeah, that's the battery. I recognize her face. I know she's on the 7th.
So Coco, what is the price of this?
For the twin edition is $479. You can get both the 4K mode and the 360 mode. And for the Leica edition is $549. I can have this screen play. And we do sell the 4K edition separately. I can have this screen like this. The 4K edition is $299. It's a lot cheaper than the Hero 8.
I'm here at On Point. Check it out. This is it's an airsoft arcade game with real bullets. Let's go have some fun. Wow, so cool. And watch this. If you shoot off screen, it won't shoot. Look at that. So cool. There's a robot here. I'm gonna get robot here. No way. Hey.
No problem.
Oh man,
Yeah,
that's scary.
Really
what if it gets mad?
Sorry.
What if it gets mad at me? Mad sometimes?
Touch her. That's smelling right now. She's smelling. Yeah, but too much time she will feel angry.
One cool thing about CES is the abundance of places with massage chairs. You can just walk anywhere, basically get a massage for like 10-15 minutes. I'll definitely be doing more of that. Crazy to see. United States Postal Service has a huge booth here at CES, very progressive, looks to be promoting their direct mail services. Check this out, Neo has an electric motorcycle. Pretty sweet. Swap. Note 10 Plus.
That's right.
You got something for that?
So what we got here is our plasma series. Every one of our cases drop tests is the military standard, which means we drop them 26 times from a height of 48 inches with 0 damage to the device. This is 3-layer protection here, so you got a hard polycarbonate shell on the back, and you have polyurethane trim for shock absorption.
Wow. Oh shit. Hey, it works.
There you go, man. Everything you need.
Sick case, look at that. I cannot believe this right now, but check out behind me. Sony with an electric car, what? Of course, CES would not be complete without coming and seeing GoPro. Check this out. You got the Hero 8 Black here, all kitted out for vlogging. You got a microphone there, look at that.
Giving them away too, just
Microphone, you got a light, and the external display. Would this not be the perfect little vlogging setup right here? Oh man, I'm excited about that. Would you guys use this? Let me know in the comments below. All electric Audi, pretty sweet. Toyota with some electric mobility, check it out. Glide scooter. So I'm here with the expert. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Bo.
Bo, he's just saying all three of these units are the same drive unit, all right?
That's right. Yeah. So brought to you by a zero emission or partial emission concept for mobility Toyota. You're going to have each vehicle that'll be adaptable, something you already have, something you consider, something you can stand it.
That's so cool. So just swap it out, transform it.
Totally, right here.
Different stages of life. I'm getting pretty tired here. I think I found my ride home. Check it out. This is the future right here. I think this is a real technology. Give it 5-10 years and you see people taking these everywhere. Honda with the 3-wheeled electric scooter. Check it out, it's got an offset headlight, an asymmetrical look. Are you guys into that or not? It drives some people crazy. Look at that headlight, only on the left side. I kind of like that look. The BMW motorcycles always got that going on. Small scale, but I guess proof of concept of the big Bell copter over there. Look how hot I am right now. So hot. Not to be outdone by Bell. Check it out, Hyundai. How do I get a ride in one of these?
Soon.
Soon? How soon?
In 10 years.
10 years? Usually I don't walk the outside edges, but check it out. I think I found a hidden gem. The Pegasus Flying Car, wow. So this thing can drive on land up to 80 miles an hour and fly in the air. How cool is that? Check them out, Pegasus. Behind me, you've got the Fisker Ocean electric car. They're taking pre-orders on it now. Pretty sweet little deal. Check this out, I haven't seen anything like this before. Looks like a normal drone, right? But and that's it. There's only 2 wings, only 2 blades on this drone. So they say with only 2 motors, you can get a flight time of 50 minutes on this drone. Pretty incredible. I'd love to try this thing out in the future. Well, guys, that is it for CES. I am pooped. I'm done. I'm going home. What was your favorite technology today? Let me know in the comments below, and I will tell you mine as well. If you enjoyed this video, by the way, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to see the next one first. We'll see you in the next one, guys.